Hey, all my beautiful fish fanatics out there. Welcome back to Pacific Northwest Fishing Garage, guys. And welcome to the garage. I have another beautiful unboxing for you, but a little bit different. This here is gifted from our really good friend, Yone. Not going to use real names in this, but thank you very much for the gift. I really do appreciate it. And this is going to be the unboxing. So this is Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 24 days of fish miss. And I'm guessing this is from Mr. Tackle Box. I didn't do these one this year because just the price for me was just a little bit way too much for these. Now I'm assuming it's Mr. Tackle Box. Could be 100% wrong. We're gonna find out here. Of course, it's already past Christmas, but we're gonna open these up. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion of what comes in here, and then of course you guys can get the in-depth review and flashlight if needed. So without any further ado, guys, go to open this up. Okay. The 24 Days of Fishing Joy Fishing Lure Advent Calendar. Warm tips. The lure content contains sharp hooks. Please open the box carefully to prevent sticking hands. I don't see anything on here stating that it's a mystery tackle box item, but only way to find out is when we open these. So, of course, let's start with number one. Oh, that is cute. There's a little frog, guys, for number one. Okay, number two here. Just so you guys see, none of them have been open besides what I'm opening. Another frog. Let's see if we can find number three. Huh. Number three, number three, number three. Yeah. Number three is a shrimp. Okay, number four, number four, number four. Little trout good thing here. Number five, number five. Number five. Little rattler. And number six. A small little mini crankbait. Or not mini crankbait, crankbait. Number seven, number seven, number seven. Number seven. Number eight. A bigger crankbait. Number nine, number nine. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. A little trout lure. And number 10, number 10. Ah, come here. Another shrimp. Let's see, number 11. 11. Another shrimp. 12. 12, 12, 12, 12. Here. Gold wanna be a little salmon here, but okay, 13. Almost the same thing, just different pattern. 14. Another shrimp. Cool. 15, 15. 15. A little gold-plated trout lure here, or bass. Let's see. 16. 16. A little trout lure. 17. A little jerk bait. 17, 18. 19, so 18, 18. Get that one out. 19. 20. 21, 21. Oh wait. Did I miss? How did I miss 12 there? Did I open? Well, we'll go back to 12 here because somehow I missed it. 12. Okay. 20. Where's 21? You know, that's probably what I did. I probably opened the 21 one. Okay, so 22. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Crankbait. 23. 24. Oh, flopper plopper. So, you guys can tell, there is nothing left. Now, I don't know, like I said, not 100% sure if this is part of Mr. Tackle Box. There's no labels on here that say it is or isn't. So it could be from a whole entire different company from them. But with that being said, guys, I will find out if it is a Mr. Tackle Box item or not. I'll do some research on it and let you guys know, and of course in the description. But for the stuff that came in here, you gotta admit it's actually pretty decent. You know, I really like getting shrimp stuff and of course frogs in here, and of course little trout baits and a whole bunch of other stuff in here that came in here, which you open it up every day, which is pretty exciting for that. But the really cool thing I like is these frogs. I don't know why, but they're just really, really cool. Just like I said, these little mini, little frogs here, and I really like the shrimp here, guys. Let me take one out real quick. I mean, very nice, sturdy shrimp. Actually has a little bit of a scent to it. Not really plasticky, but put that on and just do. This one's the same thing, it's different color. And then this shrimp here and this one, which are really good for fishing. You hook them on and just let them do their thing. Like I said, some of the lures in there are actually really, really cool. So overall, I'm really happy with the box. I really can't complain about it. Just some really cool items I can add, to my tackle for, fishing and multiple uses, bass, trout, walleye, surf. So that's the really cool thing. It wasn't just focused on one type of fish or anything like that. It was focused on multi species here. So I'm kind of happy about that. So guys, the Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, the 24 days of fishing joy, the Advent calendar, guys. I give it a thumbs up. I like it. You know, of course, especially for kids. Everything else, again, you know, obviously it's past the new year when it's going to be posted. But if you do it next year, just, you know, keep in mind, be careful. The frogs came with no packaging around them, so they did have hooks exposed. Same with the little shrimp. Everything else came in packaging, so that was great. But you know, you should be careful because all it takes is, you know, one little prick, and then, you know, you're crying, and it's gonna turn into a good time to a bad time. So just keep that in mind, guys. So right about now, guys, should be popping up for the in-depth review now. All right, guys, this is the in-depth review on the Merry Christmas 24 day advent calendar that I got. So this is what it looks like inside. Nothing too exciting. So that's what it says. A little piece of styrofoam that was in here, but still pretty awesome. Alright guys, so this is the first lure here. Good colorway. Nice sharp hooks. Alright. Next here. Get this guy open. Alright. Next here. Got this guy. And more in depth here for you guys. Next. Pretty cool color in this guy though. A little bit closer so you guys can see here. Yeah. Look at that guy. Nice red eyes. Black and blue and silver here. So trout lure, bass lure, actually can be anything in lure if you think about it, guys. And this guy that fell with packaging. So if you can see, let me hold this correctly here. Give me that. Looks like a little fish. See up here near the top. Mouth is there. Eye, gills, fin. Pretty nice colorway in this guy. Here's one of the shrimp. So remember correctly, this should be a glow-in-the-dark bead here. Hook a line up. Shrimp's there. And then the hook is through the shrimp. The same thing, just different color shrimp. Apologize. There's a different shrimp here. Another shrimp. This one's red. Eh. Amen. So this one's the same as the silver one. This is just gold. As you can see, the fish eyes, mouth, gills. So again, same as the silver one. It's just gold. This one I thought was really awesome. Look at the details on this little guy. And here is one frog. That is pretty cool looking. And then the second frog. Again, pretty cool looking. So now that I've got everything entangled, because, you know, I'm smart there. So that's everything that came in the box. So, again, thank you very much, Yone. I do appreciate it. You didn't have to give me this. It does mean a lot to me. So, hopefully you see this video. And special thanks out to Yone for getting me this gift. Now, guys, with all that being said, let me know in the comments below if you guys have gotten this box before, and if it's a mystery tackle box. Of course, I'm going to do research and find out if it is or not, and what you guys think about it. I know that Mr. Tackle Box released one that had different things on it, like 1, 2, and 3, different variations. Again, I'm going to do my research and let you guys know in the comments below what this is. But let me know what you guys thought about it. What you guys thought about everything that came in the box. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You guys turn those notifications on. And hey, if you haven't, jump on over to our Instagram, guys. Show us some love over there. It'd be much appreciated. And then, hey, while you're there, from there, go ahead and hit stop and jump over to our TikTok, guys. Give us a follow there as well. And remember, tight lines.